Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm here once again with my friend Kenny P, the Bitcoin Lord. It's safe to say that now.
No.
Bitcoin Prof,
No.
Bitcoin Edis,
Just low key.
Bitcoin Grammy Award winner.
Yes.
So guys, in this video, it's going to be telling us how to buy Bitcoin online, how to set up your Bitcoin wallet, and basically those two major fundamental topics for beginners to know about. So Kenny P, over to you because I don't know anything to talk about again.
Okay, all right, thank you. So let's go straight to the point.
Yeah.
How to set up a Bitcoin wallet. But first of all, you need to find a Bitcoin app to download. We have a lot of them, but let me just give you the one that you can use. They are okay, regardless of your location, your region, maybe your country, anything.
Okay.
So you can use Coinbase for
About Coinbase.
abroad people. You can use maybe there's a Bitcoin wallet itself, like on App Store or your Play Store. Search for Bitcoin wallet, you'll see it there. It's secured. You can search for crypto.com. You'll see it there. You can search for Trust wallets.
Okay.
And the most reliable and they're the most common.
Like Trust Wallet or this one is called?
Yes. Now just Trust wallet, like Trust wallet. Just search for Trust wallet. You see it there. It's very easy, simple step. And the last one, you can just go to the major one, which is blockchain.
Even me, I know blockchain.
Everyone knows blockchain, so just go to blockchain. So after that, all you have to do is just sign up with your email. Make sure that the email is your personal email.
Okay.
Nobody has access to it. Then set up your number, put your email. Make sure that you do your KYC. KYC means know your customer.
Yeah, know your customers.
So do everything there, verify everything. We have two types of security on our blockchain. We have the non-custodian wallet and we have the custodian wallet.
Is that like 18 and below 18?
No. Custodian wallet means that there's okay. Let me just go on let me the easiest explanation.
Okay.
There's some wallet that you be the one to be in charge of the security yourself. There's some wallet that you want the system to be in charge of the security. For you.
Okay.
So they give you some secret
Questions.
words or question and answer or code, something like that. Blockchain uses code like 12 secret word. Some other wallets use it too. So the custodian means that you want the app or the system to do the security for you. That means they will develop a secret code for you. Enter you want to log in. Or sometimes you feel like you are man enough, you want to do the security yourself. That means that one we call it the non-custodian wallet. That means you want to be the one to do it by yourself. So you are free.
Which one is advisable?
The advisable is let me say because we are all humans, you understand?
Yeah, we are humans.
We are humans. Then let me just say I don't know your ability, but to me, I'll prefer the system to do security for me, so that it generates the secret code for me. Because
to be so random.
Because anyone might try to log in at your park, understand? Then if it's not you, the system will ask for your security code or questions and answers. So if they don't have it, that's it. So all you have to do is that just make sure that you write it somewhere secretive. Don't let anybody see. Don't put it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook. No. Don't even save it on your email. Because anybody can log to your email, maybe mistakenly or
say it on
carelessly
draft or something.
So just make sure to write it somewhere that nobody will even know. So that's it. Then after that, the security, all you have to do is you log into the app. Different applications have their own setup, but the easiest one you can use blockchain, Coinbase. You can use the Trust wallet. You can use Trust wallet. I recommend that one for you. So after that, you see the buy option, deposit option. On the menu, just click the menu, you see it there. So just click the menu. So it's going to ask you what do you want to buy. So you see Bitcoin there. Click Bitcoin. Then all you have to do is that, because regardless of the country that you have to just make sure that everything is converted in dollar.
Oh,
understand? Okay. Yeah, because it will be so easier for you to buy in dollar. Understand? Because even though you're using debit card or credit card in Nigeria, Mastercard or anything, if you want to buy something online, it has to convert it to dollar first. Understand? So that's how it is. So anything you want to buy, convert it to dollar. Use your debit card or your credit card. Use it. That's all. It will deposit inside your.
Wait, sorry, have you already entered how to buy Bitcoin online?
No.
So this buying now from their wallet, but from their wallet can they buy Bitcoin like this?
Yes,
buy just
yes. But this is applicable to other countries for now, not Nigeria, due to our
Not
CBN ban.
Nigeria.
So that's how to open your wallet and deposit your money. Yeah, maybe deposit. Any country you are, just deposit the money from your bank or your debit card. I prefer using your debit card or your credit card. Understand? So it's more faster. Then you can save it on your app, like on the Trust wallet or any wallet you're using. Just save it. Like save it just because of next time, so it will be okay. So that's how to buy Bitcoin for now in other countries, not Nigeria.
Okay.
So let's go straight to how to buy Bitcoin in Nigeria for now. Okay. Due to the CBN ban that occurred this February, maybe February 16th or something like that, people buy Bitcoin with their bank directly. Like in Nigeria now, I can recommend like 4 apps that you can use to buy Bitcoin directly from your bank. Use your debit card or the credit card or your bank account, anything. We have the first one. You can use Binance. We all know about Binance app.
Yeah.
Binance app. Actually, before the CBN ban, you can just sign up on Binance, do your verification, your KYC, then it will ask you to buy Bitcoin. So you can put your debit card or credit card direct to buy. But right now you can't do that.
You can't do that.
It's on hold. Luno too. You can use Luno to do that too. You can use Practitia.
Will Luno go?
For now, Luno will not go. So everything for now they are not going. But before you can use it to buy like debit card direct. So there's another means that we guys created to buy or sell BTC in Nigeria due to the ban. We call it P2P withdrawal or
peer-to-peer
or P2P withdrawal or P2P or sale. It's P2P means peer-to-peer, like me to you. That means from him to me or you to someone else. So that's how it is. So, but the main thing is that if you want to do P2P, just make sure it's someone that you trust, someone that you know, someone recommend to you. Understand? So your money will be at rest, your money is saved, then you send the Bitcoin to you. So what we do is that you find someone that you can do P2P with. You tell him that, okay, I want to buy Bitcoin, this kind of amount. We are in Nigeria, so we just tell him the amount in Nigeria. So you guys can convert it to Naira. And we convert it to dollar.
Yes.
So by that time you know the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. So after the conversion, then all you have to do is that you guys agree. When you agree, you have to send our money. Then when you confirm the money, then you send you the BTC, the amount of BTC you want to buy with the Nigerian money. So after that, you will see, okay, you on your wallet, like any wallet you're using, you see like an incoming transaction on your transaction history or something like that. Then you are good to go. You check your balance, you see, maybe after some minutes, like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, sometimes it might take longer, maybe 10 or 15 minutes due to the server or the miners. So, but after everything, you will see your Bitcoin successful, credited into your accounts. So that's how to buy in Nigeria for now. That's it. So don't use debit card or bank directly in Nigeria for now. From other countries, you can use your debit card.
Yeah, guys. So these are the sure ways to buy Bitcoin. And besides, they can P2P works with you, know.
Yes.
So guys, I can recommend it because I've known him since my secondary school days, guys. So I recommend. So guys, Tobit, I recommend KDP. So
right.
You can find him on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook at kenny.developer.
Kenny.website.developer. Okay.
This is where exactly kenny.website.developer, guys. So chat him up if you want to get Bitcoin, want to know more about your Bitcoin or crypto in general. Exactly. So chat him up, guys. He's single. So either way, So guys, that's the basic thing for the video. Wanted to keep it short and simple, guys. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, guys. Thank you so much.